The day you kissed my lips, light as a feather. And it went just like this. No, it's never been better.
Hello, babe.
Where are you now?
You will see me very soon.
I'm waiting for you.
I'm sorry, I won't be able to come again.
Oh, I thought you're on your way already now.
I just see my period now. Just go outside. There's a package for you outside.
Ah! Est-ce que les bébés tiolés?
You are here?
Who is she?
Is she not the package you sent to me?
This is the package I sent to you. Baby, you're sitting on me. A foolish man.
And on today's news is a strange and mischievous lady going from one house to the other, spreading infectious diseases to young African youths. So please, beware.
Jesus!